पूण जे लोक ताजे भायर आसा त्या लोकांचो एनरोलमेंट जायना त्या खातीर स्पेशल कॅम्प घेवन स्पेशली आयतारीचो घेतात इतलेच खातीर की आयतारा आमी अशें धरतात की सगळे जाण फ्री आसतात म्हणून आनी त्या दिसा सगळ्यांचो एनरोलमेंट जावचो जो लेफ्ट आवट कोण आसा तांचो त्या खातीर आयतारीचो आमी स्पेशल कॅम्प घेवन इलेक्शन रोल हो परफेक्ट जावचो ह्या खातीर आमी हे केलें.
So total number of forms received during the summary revision was 1,55,995. Out of which 46,700 were Form 6, that is inclusion of new names. Form 7 is 15,293. Form 8, that is correction, is 89,207. Form 8A is 4,795. Almost in Form 6, 90% forms have been accepted. Similar is the case for Form 7, Form 8 maximum have been accepted, Form 8A similar is the same. So this is the district-wide deletion report in which I hope all of you must be interested. We are having 40 AC and the dead electors have been 9,790. Shifted means from the previous our record they shifted to the new place. They themselves apply or through door-to-door verification by the BLO. That is 4,980, roughly 5,000. Portuguese nationality, those who have acquired, is 510. Absentee voters and others is 867. And normally when we compile data, so we look into Form 7. Especially since Goa, a lot of people are going into this to acquire Portuguese nationality. So we especially inquired from our ERO how many such names are there. So 510 cases have come. This was the summary revision, but after that continuous updation will carry on till the names can be added if you know the rules till the last day of nomination. So technically speaking, 10 days before nomination people can file for inclusion of their names. Actually, you want some more figures? Already we have started trainings. We have started trainings of the officers. So far, Election Commission has introduced a new concept of leadership and motivation training for the senior officers, those who are in the supervisory capacity. The total 300 roughly 50 persons have been trained in the leadership and motivation training. So we hope, because election is a team process, so teamwork will be better this time. And another thing is happening is for the returning officers, we are going to have a certification course. They are specially trained for different roles and responsibilities of the returning officer under the direction of Election Commission of India, and they all will be subject to examination. If any officer fail in that, then he will be taken away from the electoral process. So that will also ensure that they are better trained, they are aware of all the legal provisions. There was an administrative reorganization in the North and South district, in which Ponda Taluka was shifted from North district to South district. And in election database, we were maintaining the district election officer for Ponda was earlier North, but recently, just last week, we got approval of Election Commission of India. So now Ponda Taluka having 4 assembly constituency, Ponda, Priol, Shiroda and Madgai. These 4 will become part of South district now, from election point of view also.